How is the project going? Let us know.
It's going really, really well. We're really happy with some of the things that we've managed to do recently. So a major part of the project is setting up our cell lines where we've got the individual proteins that we want to study in each individual line. And so we've got that up and running now, and they're being really, really productive. So with some of the key questions that we've been asking, which sort of pathways are being switched on when the cells are resisting the treatment, we are now actually able to do those experiments. So a big part of getting the project up and running is establishing these lines, and they are running beautifully. So we're really happy with where we're at with the progress in terms of the foundation has been well and truly laid, and we're really starting to build to where we want to be.
Excellent. And so what do you hope to have at the end of the year?
By the end of the year, we want to know exactly which SIM1 isoforms change the response to gemcitabine, and we want to know how we can use all the range of mTOR inhibitors to kill off the pancreatic cancer cells according to which SIM1 isoform is expressed in those guys. So we've looked at about clinical data for about 300 patients, and we can stratify them into at least 5 different groups based on which isoform they have. And so what we're going to start doing, and by the end of the year, we want to know which of those groups, which drug combinations are most effective for killing off the pancreatic cancer cell lines derived from each of those groups of patients.
Excellent. And so will you be coming to the Kingaroy Captains Committee dinner?
I would love to come to the Kingaroy Captains dinner. I'd love to take my daughter again. We both had a fantastic time. We were both so impressed by the level of enthusiasm, a great bunch of people. It's just something that I just love to go out and be a part of again. Even sitting in the background this time watching what's going on. It was a fantastic night, and I'd love to get out there again.
And any fundraising motivations you want to share with the team?
Fundraising motivations.
We're going to get closer to a cure.
Closer to a cure. I mean, you guys know quite well that the pancreatic cancer is one of the cancers that really, really, really needs a lot of attention. So the fact that there is some interested groups out there and individuals who really have their heart in it. Is motivating for us. It's encouraging for us, but I mean, it's critical for anything to change at all. We're not going to change the situation until we work out what's going on, and that's going to take a little bit of research, and we need funding for that research. So it's exciting times. It really is exciting times, just in terms of what's happening around the world and the access that we have to information about individual patients. That's something that we didn't have 5 years ago. It's something we've been waiting for 20 years and expecting for 20 years. So we've entered a new period of understanding, and we now need to match our abilities to use drugs to that understanding that's at our disposal now. So these, the situation is right to make a difference, to make a change. I mean, if ever it's going to happen, it's going to happen now, but the work needs to be done. So yeah, we've just got to keep going. Both sides, the researchers and the supporters.